Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome back to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, I'm just going to be completely transparent with you. We are doing our ice cream beauty bag for the month of September, which is in this bag right here. However, this is a redo, okay? I refuse to give you anything that is not a good product, okay? And when I saw it, there were some things in there that just could not be edited out. So I wanted to make sure that I brought it to you again in a more, I wanted to bring you a better product, okay? So let's just go ahead and get right into it. For those of you who are not familiar with the ice cream beauty bag, I will leave all the information down below. It is amazing. It is so worthwhile, okay? And the actual price is $12.50, okay? Now, in addition to the $12.50, you do pay shipping and handling, but that's still going to keep you right around $15, okay? So let's just go ahead and I'm going to show you just what came in this month's box. Bag, because we are unbagging the ice cream beauty bag, okay? So they do have their version of a description card inside. It's not very large because this particular one gives you between 3 and 5 full-size products, always full-size products, okay? So let's go. The first item that we have is by Cheeky Rose Beauty, and it's this item right here. This is the, I think they call it a point brush, okay? And I'm very, very fond of the packaging that it came in, you know, because if you look at this, it held this perfectly, so we didn't have to worry about it coming here damaged or the bristles all over the place or scratched up or with germs on it, okay? So that is a plus right there. But this is a very nice brush. It does not have any other information on it besides the name of the brand, which is Cheeky Rose Beauty, and it does not tell me anything other than the fact that this is a pointed brush. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this brush is $15. Now, I do like it. It's, to me, it's kind of like a pencil brush, you know, but a big pencil brush, you know. So when you have that deep, wider line that you need to kind of carve out, perfect for that. Okay, so that one is the first item. Then the next item that we have is by the company ZEESEA Cosmetics. This one right here. Now, if you remember last month in the beauty bag, we received the cat. This month, we received the cute puppy eyeshadow quad, okay? And we have had ZEESEA Cosmetics in our bags quite a bit, but I have to tell you, their products have been amazing, okay? So this is what the cute puppy quad palette looks like, okay? And it does have a mirror inside, and it is a 4.8 gram size, okay? And this is what it looks like. These are what the shades look like, and as I told you, it does have a mirror, but it is covered so that way it's not going to mess with your eyes. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this eyeshadow quad is $20. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Boy, that packaging almost looks like it came together. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. But nonetheless, let us just keep going. The next item that we have is by Illuminati Cosmetics, okay? And this is the, I believe it said Allure. Yes, it is. This is the Allure shade, okay? Now, Illuminati Cosmetics, I do like their products. We have gotten quite a bit of them, and if you remember earlier in the box, you saw a different shade which had plenty of shimmer in it. And this one does as well, okay? Now, of course, we'll probably swatch it, you know, put it on over top of this one. So the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $20, okay? We have far exceeded our $12.50 plus shipping price, okay? I'm just saying. Okay, now the last item that we have. Now, in the first video, I did say that I believe shimmers were coming back. But the truth is, I really don't think shimmers have really ever left. But they are really putting them out there now. And so this is the next item. And this is by Lash Step Cosmetics. Okay? And this one is called Shimmer About You. It is a cruelty-free product. It has an 18-month shelf life, and it is a 12 universal eyeshadow palette, perfect for every day or night. You believe that? You will after you see it. Now, this one also has a full-size mirror. Okay, so I need to cover this. I really don't want it to give you any issue. Well, how about this? I'll just show it to you this way. Look at those shades. Beautiful, shimmery. The whole palette just about. Nope, the whole palette is shimmery. Some of them are duochrome shimmers, but shimmery nonetheless. What do you think about that? Okay, now this is the last item, so you know we always swatch in the end. So we're at the end. How about we go ahead and we swatch a couple shades, okay? So I'm going to do just that. Whew, that's gorgeous. As is that one. And let's see. So these are the 3 shades that I swatched. Okay, so 3 of the 12. Then we're going to take 2 out of the Quad palette. Okay, now this one has a shimmer in it as well, but I think we'll do a matte and a shimmer. Okay. Here are those 2. Okay, now this is what the shades look like. Here are the first 3 from the Lash Step palette right here. And then these 2 right here are from the ZEESEA Quad. What are your thoughts about that? Look at the shimmer. Oh my goodness. That is just amazing to me. I like the fact that you can use it to really make a look pop, or you can just put a transition shade on and put your shimmer over the top and really see all of that shimmer and all of its glory, but not too far over the top. What do you think? Okay, now, of course, we still have this one. Now, all I have on right now is a chapstick and a liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this gloss on over top. Wow. Okay, now y'all know, before I stick this back into this tube, I will be wiping it off. Gotta protect the integrity of the shade, okay? So, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Let me know, okay? So, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our ice cream beauty bag for the second time, but nonetheless, okay? And These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have it, and you know it's free for you to join, but at least you'll know every time something good comes and I bring it to you. Okay, now share this with someone who you believe may want to try a beauty subscription service but doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money but definitely get a big bang for the buck. Share this with them, okay? See how they feel. They'll thank you later. I promise you, they will thank you later if they're not a hater. No, I'm just joking, okay? But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.